Hello my lovely friends, welcome back to Learn Persian with Asal. I want to tell you 100 top or common Persian phrases in several parts. In each part, I'm going to show you 10 top Persian phrases with examples. So let's do this. Well, if you are an absolute beginner in learning Persian, you can subscribe the channel and learn Persian with me. So don't waste time and let's start the lesson. Number 1. Salam. Salam. Salam means hi, hello. 2. باشه. 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 Okay. 3. الو. 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 This phrase used on the phone. When you pick up the phone, you say الو. الو. سلام. منزل آقای پارسا؟ الو سلام. منزل آقای پارسا؟ 4. شاید. 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 Maybe. فردا میری مهمونی؟ فردا میری مهمونی؟ شاید. 5. لطفاً. لطفاً. Please. 6. بفرمایین. بفرمایین. بفرمایین تو. بفرمایین. اینم صورت حسابتون. 7. نه. نه. No. 8. درسته. 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 That's right. 9. مرسی. 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 Thank you. 10. چرا. 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 Why? Well guys, if you want to see the next parts of the 100 top Persian phrases, please subscribe the channels and turn on the notification. By supporting me, I can create more Persian learning lessons. So don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. I'm Asal. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.